Chris Sale is not the easiest to hit. Ever since he was traded to the Red Sox, he's struck out more than 13 hitters per 9 innings. Nasty, right? Well, apparently his peers agree. MLB.com polled 85 major league players and asked them which pitcher has the nastiest pitch. And Chris Sale's slider received the most votes. That's the exact same pitch he used to strike out Manny Machado, clinching the Red Sox 9th World Series title. According to StatCast, hitters hit just 113 on at-bats ending with Sale's slider, and 57% of those at-bats ended in strikeouts. Also on the top 10 list, Craig Kimbrel's knuckle curve. Batters got just 5 hits in 61 at-bats that ended with Kimbrel's specialty.